Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we've got something special for all you gardeners, campers, and outdoor enthusiasts out there. We're talking about the VEVOR Portable Water Storage Bladder, a 1,000-liter water tank that's a game-changer when it comes to water storage. Stay tuned as we dive into the features and benefits of this fantastic product. Here it is, the VEVOR Portable Water Storage Bladder, a 1,000-liter water tank designed to make your life easier in various scenarios. Whether you need to water your garden, go camping, or have an emergency water supply, this water bladder has got you covered. Now, let's talk about what sets this water tank apart from the rest. First and foremost, this water tank boasts a whopping 1,000 liters or 264 gallons of storage capacity. That's enough water to keep you going for an extended period without having to worry about refilling constantly. Made from high-quality 1000D PVC, this water bladder is built to last. It's puncture-resistant, waterproof, sunproof, and wear-resistant, ensuring that it can withstand the toughest outdoor conditions. The wide 1.5-inch opening allows for quick and easy filling, while the 1.5-inch water outlet is designed to handle harsh field conditions without breaking or leaking. It's incredibly user-friendly. With 4 carrying handles, this water tank is effortless to move around. You can easily transport it to your garden, campsite, or wherever you need it. Plus, it's collapsible for convenient storage when not in use. This water storage tank isn't limited to just one use. It's suitable for home, garden, camping, RV trips, drought situations, and even firefighting emergencies. It's a versatile solution for all your water storage needs. So there you have it, folks. The VEVOR Portable Water Storage Bladder is your ultimate solution for water storage needs. It's durable, easy to use, and versatile, making it a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. If you're interested in getting the best 1,000-liter water tank on the market, click the link in the description below to check it out on Amazon. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to Product Critique for more fantastic product reviews. Thanks for joining us today, and remember, stay prepared, stay hydrated, and stay tuned to Product Critique for more great products like this one. Until next time, happy watering!